Sakiniman করে or posting Khlaikha. Posting Khlaikha করে Mayung make dijonda pokma lainani panda. Pokma lainani panda.
Hambai Khlaikha actually public no ta masa sika abule chini BF usaba saka or bwkhaktwi ja asas le adi bwkhaktwi ke mo public doctor mo sabo sa public of samani ke mo hai Mayung oro tongku Haipuno Mayung suno fai disturb tak hai kata khai abo simia Mayung ni Bagwi mo am chani bororo mung sapono taham khai mi angi tong lom de rubber kai sebai pai jago mungkin thai ka kai ko sai pai jago mung sa khai mi ani Bagwi mo am chani bor dialog lai bor ni problem no sakaซึ่งTini BFO be agi bokok salega mono tini elephant na sama ban chiri nai no borono ba sama ban chiri nai side by side mo amse ni bororo no sung bahai klai economically strong khai mano abo ba sung salega borok sung experience rika chikon projects namnai romdi sami kaina ni punungka romdi mushroom cultivation punungka romdi Cikon mo hai na khai jang na akok sau borok abono help claimang kia ba dabu question hunggan gai kaisa am chayo tumu mushroom amono khai kya kaisa am chayo muya mamono khai kya kaisa am chayo tumu sing jami mamono khai kya ga sabo sanai sabo pai nai bai ge jang phali man so abuni bagi basang kaisa opinion dikha tumu government mo hai na riwi tong hanggan ke government initiative na hatong abna pait lang ikun kaisa dagaw thani phalinani so I don't think mo waisa kok salaiman be problem solve khaimanai but definitely interaction financing jaga thangi borok samani ganbe kami o thangi borok kok lam salainai salaimani bising tei as early as possible mo problem no solve khainani bor 100% khaimanai ne but maximum problem no solve khainani especially Mayung by Borok is a conflict of Borok stop any child and priority hanga Borok Abuno base kind of drain money half purna ne ati so jora nanya ablang sani because abo department in department but assurance boy as far as Francis is concerned as early as possible Borok like khana puno se Borok client tiyar ko because most of human life in paper orno ban sirina nangnai che ban sirina ni henga ha ko kunani no nangnai brok site no ngai abani ulo sa livelihood finite